Okay guys, I've just received the package and I know what it is, and a huge shout out to Auditron. He sent me a CQR Integra, which was also published on his channel as requested by me to do a review on it. So he let me have it for free, and he knew I was looking for one and swatting eBay all over for one, so he had the generosity to let me have it for free. And I also am doing this in return for him, so giving him a shout out and doing a review on it. So let's dig into it. I'll also bring up his channel, so you can check it out. So let's get right into it. So as we can see, we are pretty much into it, so I can 100% tell it's under this bag. So let's get into it. And I am correct. Alrighty, we are in. Let's clear out all this sticking stuff away. Right, okay. So here it is. The CQR Integra. So just need to undo the screw here. Marvellous. And I have to pull out my screwdriver. A huge thank you for this, Auditron. You're actually genuinely the kindest person to do this for me. So as he did, he connected the battery to this, which is for the battery terminal. So these wires have been cut, so the battery is no longer in life. But yeah, I will do a demo video of this, so I'll just go and grab a battery. Right, I'm also going to put on my headset to drown out the noise. So, here we go. So we'll do that again. And there we go. Again, a massive thank you to Auditron for this. I'll just get his channel up on YouTube now, so you can check him out and subscribe to him. So that's Auditron 1003. This is him. As you can see, that's the bell box in his channel there. So yeah. So a huge thank you for this, Auditron, and this is the CQR Integra. And thank you very much for watching, and please comment, subscribe, and yeah, thank you very much. Bye.